Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study about type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. As we know, hypersensitivity is basically an exaggerated immune response of our body to non-harmful antigens. And these antigens can be self-antigens and foreign antigens. And we know that hypersensitivity is basically of 4 types. And in this video, we will study about the type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. Type 3 hypersensitivity is also known as immune complex hypersensitivity because in this type 3 hypersensitivity, antibody gets attached to the antigen. This is an antigen. The antibody gets attached to the antigen and forms antibody antigen complex. And this antibody antigen complex acts as an immune complex. And thus this immune complex is responsible for further any hypersensitivity. That's why this is known as immune complex hypersensitivity. Type 3 hypersensitivity reaction is mediated by IgG and IgM class of antibodies. After the antibody antigen complex is formed, this antibody antigen complex still persists in the body of the individual, and these antibody antigen complexes which persist then goes to the tissues. So this antibody antigen complex goes between the tissues of an organism. The tissue deposited complexes activate the complement system, and this complement system in turn form certain complement fragments, and these fragments are, for example, are C3A and C5A, and these complement fragments activate or attract certain mediators of inflammation. Mediators of inflammation means the cells that causes inflammation in bodies, and these cells are basically neutrophils and monocytes. And as the neutrophils that are called upon are attracted by the C3A and C5A fragments, these neutrophils then try to engulf the immune complex, which is formed by the interaction of the antibody and the antigen. But these antibody and antigen complex is present between the tissues, and when the neutrophil tries to engulf or destroy this complex, they release a lot of substances like prostaglandins and lysosomal enzymes, and these lysosomal enzymes cause damage at the site of immune complex deposition. So wherever the immune complex is deposited, that site will be damaged by these lysosomal enzymes. So this in turn causes damage to the tissues. So in this way, persistent and repeated hypersensitivity type 3 reaction can cause great damage and even hemorrhage or blood clots in the tissue cells. So blood clots and hemorrhage can also occur in the tissues. So in this way, type 3 hypersensitivity reaction can cause damage or harm to the body of individual. So this is all about the type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section.